everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to tell you about a tool I use every morning when I first wake up. Simple and effective at removing lots of food debris, bacteria and dead skin from the tongue and therefore giving fresher breath. Do you know what it is? Well, before I tell you, remember to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification. So, want to know what I use? It's a tongue scraper. It's only little. Tongue scraping improves oral hygiene, freshens breath, cleanses taste buds for improved sense of taste, and cleaning the tongue may improve digestion and elimination. Tongue scraping is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that has been around for thousands of years. I prefer the copper or stainless steel tongue scrapers. They have a more defined edge and they tend to last longer than plastic. It is best to scrape the tongue first thing in the morning, as this is when most of the bacteria are on the tongue as it builds up overnight. Don't even have a drink first, as some of the bacteria will go into the gut and we want to remove this. Start at the back of the tongue and scrape slowly forward on one side, wash the scraper, then scrape from the other side down and then wash the scraper. We want to do this a few times. Do not put the scraper too far down the back of the tongue as gagging could occur. We can also scrape the insides of the cheeks too. Remember to scrape gently as we do not want to cut into the tongue and cheeks. It is not recommended to brush the tongue with a toothbrush. The toothbrush is designed to brush a hard surface, our teeth. So when we brush our tongue with a toothbrush, it's just too harsh. Also, everybody knows about reflexology and how our feet relate to different areas of the body. Well, our tongue also corresponds to different organs of the body. And when we brush the tongue, we are affecting the corresponding organ of the body. However, when we tongue scrape, we are gently stimulating the internal organs. This massage gets the digestive system going. Just do a bit of a Google search on tongue organ system to find out more. And if we have a look at our tongue, it tells us a lot about our health. And we want to have a pink, clean tongue. These are the things we do not want on our tongue. A crack down the middle of our tongue, a white coating, cracked edges around the tongue, just to name a few. And what are our tongues telling about our organs? We can also include coconut oil pulling after tongue scraping for added benefits. Remember to spit the oil into the bin when finished. A tongue scraper is cost-effective and portable. We do need to clean the tongue scraper every now and then. Use vinegar, salt, and a few drops of citrus fresh essential oil in a glass bowl. Leave for a few minutes and then clean with a damp cloth. So I sell copper tongue scrapers. They're $10 each or 3 for $25. And I'm often found at markets and advertise these events online. So feel free to purchase from me there with cash. Alternatively, I can post the tongue scrapers Australia-wide for an additional $3.60. Contact me on ylsunshinediamonds@gmail.com for further information. So I'm sharing this information with you because I want us to have great oral health. Just think of what benefits we could have if we all tongue scraped every morning. Bye.